We're working on the orange truck, but of course, there's some parts getting delivered right now. So let's go ahead and work on the yellow one. We're gonna go ahead, primer all this on top.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I put my lips.
Okay guys, so we got the bedside all primered, both of them. Now we're gonna go ahead, change out the shocks. We have some shocks right here. The ones that I have on, they're trash. Feel like you're on a boat, in the ocean. You're just going up and down, up and down. So hopefully these are better. I had these sitting in the backyard for a minute. So we're gonna go ahead, slap them on, and let's see how it rides after that.
Could have been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could have been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like shit. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, they meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, know what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, cause like you, I grab my Glock.
Okay guys, so we got one on, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna change the other one. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Okay guys, so I just finished up both sides. That's the new one, and then there's the new one over here. Well, they're not new, but they were better than the one that I had. So all I gotta do now is just go test them. For anybody that is wondering, the both sides was 21. I don't know where it's at. Somewhere right there, but both sides is 21. And I use a wrench, an adjustable wrench for the nut. But yeah, so now they're done. Bedside's all primered up. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.
But it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope. If y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He pulling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push to start. That new Porsche is built like a horse.